If you're a young person that just mastered, or let me not say mastered yet, that just learned a skill and you want to build a career around that skill in order for you to earn a living from it, I think this is something you really need to do. Yeah, I know most of the time, immediately we learn a skill. Let's say you learn copywriting or you learn digital marketing, social media marketing, or whatever skill out there. One of the first thing you want to do is to start applying for jobs, right? You want to start applying for jobs, so that you can start getting practical hands-on experiences, that you use in building up your portfolio, right? And I think it is quite challenging. I have personal experience. Once upon a time, I learned the skill of copywriting, and then after that training, I started applying for jobs. To say I can get someone to, to market my skill to. Or what? It didn't work out that way. I dropped a whole lot of applications, and I got negative feedback from each of those guys that I dropped applications for. So what I think you should do is that, as soon as you have learned or mastered that skill, try to build a brand. Try to build a brand around that skill. Build a business from that skill. Build a business from that skill. Create content that educates people and add value to business owners for free. Build a brand. Position yourself as a brand owner, not as a skilled person that is trying to sell a skill. Instead of you to start applying for jobs and then looking for someone to hire you into their systems, and then you start earning royalty or earning salary or whatever, I think what you should need to do is that you create a product out of that skill that you have mastered. You understand? Create a product from it. And if you can't create a product, package your service as a system. Don't just go there and market a skill. Market a system. So when you approach them, you say you are a digital marketer, but you are not just a digital marketer. You are approaching them as a body that provide digital marketing services. You get the point? If you do that, it will help you, number one, to earn more. It will help you to charge more, and it will help you to reduce that friction, and the possibility of you being rejected when you are applying for jobs, because they are not just seeing you as an individual that is selling a skill. They are seeing you as someone that sell a complete marketing solution. You get the point? Do that, and I tell you, you get the result you have been looking for. I know it won't be easy, but it will definitely come.